Hello, good morning guys. Welcome to the day 3 of Cebu City's GCQ. So it's morning again. It's time to go to the hospital to bring my wife for work. And we'll see the traffic. If the traffic gets worse, improve, or whatever is really interesting on the road that we can see. So if you wanna see what's how Cebu's traffic on ECQ day 3, I mean GCQ day 3, check this video out. So this is Escario Street, corner Juan Osmeña, and yes, you can see there are a lot of vehicles at this hour and a lot of people on the streets, motorcycles, but no public utility jeepneys yet and taxis. Something mga party people here in the morning. Good morning. Ano nan sila sungay-sungay? Napay mask. Reindeer. Oh, gusto mo nilang lingaw-lingaw. There are a lot of pretty interesting sights early in the morning, pero yes, and today we're gonna go back to our place in Mandaue and then see the traffic situation on the road. So we're passing through Juan Osmeña area instead of going to Osmeña Boulevard. So we have people walking their dogs, not wearing masks. But yeah, outdoors I think I'm not saying it's okay not to wear a mask, but just keep yourself protected, especially if you're gonna deal with other people, if you're gonna be in close contact with other people. So Juan Osmeña is practically clear of traffic since there are no classes. Normally in this every morning, this place is also has a lot of congestion because there's a school here, the Sacred Heart EHAS. But today, of course, there are no classes and it's early morning. It's around 8 a.m. and we're now on the corner of Escario and Juan Osmeña. So this is Escario and this is Jollibee here is busy with early food panda orders. So drivers have been lining up early in the morning, and I guess yes, even for breakfast. Many people are now ordering food panda for breakfast. This is quite amazing. So some are walking to work. I mean, well, traffic's a bit light today, but of course, compared to ECQ, this is quite busy. People crossing the street without looking, so we have to be careful as well. So biking is also now an option, and I think our people are buying bikes, really, to go to work, because for one, you don't need you're exempted from coding, the number coding, and also with less traffic, travel would be easy and it's a good exercise. There are slight build-ups in traffic, traffic light areas, and then we have buses here that are being used. This one's used by Teleperformance, a big bus. It's a free shuttle for employees And I think that's one of the new normals now, that companies are providing their employees vehicles so that they can go home and travel easier, especially with the absence of public transportation. So now we're approaching F. Cabajo Street. And on our way home. Now there's another bus here, the Malasakit bus ni Tatay at Kuya. It's a free shuttle for health workers and frontliners. I'll do a quick stop at 7-Eleven because I'm gonna pay some bills. So one of the best places to pay your bills is 7-Eleven because they allow that service, or if ever, you can just load up your GCash there and use the app to pay for important bills that has been due, and they've been starting, companies are starting to collect those bills. So we'll just stop here at 7-Eleven at Caltex at Cabajo Street. Oh yes. So guys, how about you guys? Where do you pay your bills? So I'll just do a quick stop and pay for the globe bill of my father-in-law. So it was a quick transaction using their payment kiosk. And the nice thing about the payment kiosk is that you can, you know, deposit Gcash, pay bills, and so much more. So it's really convenient. 7-Eleven has been a big help also in this time, and they're selling a lot of stuff inside as well. They now sell around face masks and small bottles of alcohol, which is gonna be essential in the new normal. So it's almost around 8:15, and it's gonna be a good time to go to the hardware, which opens at 8:30, because we're gonna buy some stuff there like cleaning materials, cleaning agents, and we'll also look at what are the products there that can be useful, especially for offices and homes when it comes to fighting the virus, or in making which will gonna be one which can be useful for the new normal. So let's go to a hardware. Probably I will start first at Cebu Home Builders if they have what we're looking for, what I'm looking for. I won't need to go far to Belmont Hardware like yesterday, which I didn't know that they'll be closed at 5. So let's go now to let's head to AS Fortuna and see what's in Cebu Home Builders. By the way, I didn't go through going to the hardware. Maybe I'll save it later, because I remember that my car is even numbered, and I think it's better to come out tomorrow or maybe later when I have other chores to do, so that really we won't abuse the law on coding. So Mona, so traffic has been light still, but as we observe, there are more people on the road, and sometimes there are even people who are not wearing masks. But in general, yeah, Cebu is slowly getting up. Hopefully, this will continue, and hopefully there'll be minimal additional cases. If not, minimal deaths, of course. And I pray for the recovery of all those who are suffering from COVID right now. And let's stay safe and see you someday in the new normal. Okay, bye bye.